Hello team, welcome back. Today in this video we are going to create a virtual machine using Azure Cloud Service. For this video the prerequisite is you want to know how to create a resource group. For that I have already uploaded a video for that. That's a previous video. If you have not seen that, go that and see that video and come here. Okay, let me see what is the virtual machine first. Virtual machine is a computer resource that use software instead of a physical computer to run program and deploy apps. You no need to have the hardware to deploy your application in the operating system or anything or your software that is known as a VM. There are two types. One is host and guest. Guest is the user, host is the cloud service provider. Okay, now let's go to the video how to create the virtual machine. Now go to the search bar and search for the virtual machine. Click on the virtual machine and click on the create icon over here and select the Azure virtual machine. After selecting Azure virtual machine, this will open the information that you want to give for create the virtual machine. Select the software resource. In previous video we have created a resource group. That resource group I have selected here. So next we want to give the name. So I am giving VM1. Next you want to select the region. So I am selecting Central India. So you want to select OS. Here you want to note that zone is want to be 1 and the OS want for me is I am going to select the Windows 10. After selecting Windows 10 we want to give the password. If this will defaultly take your account, that means your login account before the @ symbol and the password is your account password. I am again typing my password over here. Then you can select SSH communication also over here and I confirm, then review and create. No need to configure the network at all. It automatically configure what are the necessary services you want. Then you can directly create the resource over here. Now we have created the resource using the resource group, that is software resource. Now you can see it is deploying the program. So these are the services the VM want to be deployed. So after deploy we can use that. So now you can go to the home page and go to the virtual machine. Now we want to wait for the deployment. Now if you see the notification, it is saying the deployment in process. After deployment is complete, you can refresh this page and view your VM. So click on the VM. Now we are going to connect the VM with our computer. So can we view the operating system and work on it. So if you see the public IP address is assigned to our VM, so copy the IP address and go to the search bar and type remote desktop connection and paste your IP here and click the connect button. Now this will show you the password that you want to enter. You want to click on the more choice and select the use a different account, then type your username and password that you provided in the creation of the VM. So now I am typing my password over here and username and my password. then click on OK. Now this will ask you to do you want to reconnect, like that. If you give this tick box, this will not ask you again the password. I am simply giving yes. Now the operating system window will be directly open in your Windows screen. If you want to minimize this, double click on the IP address and you can view the entire VM in your local system itself. You can use this VM anywhere in the world, still the service is running. Hereafter you can configure your Windows how you configure in your local network. It is similar to your local network. So if you see that my Windows is have been created and I can able to open my window icon and I can perform anything in this VM. That's all today video. Thank you for watching.